All right, it's your boy the Zombie Prepper. Today I'm be, today I'm gonna be putting together this twin bed for my little one. So I already started the video, but I messed up, so I'm gonna do it again, and hopefully I can knock this out in 2 seconds. So as you can see, I already put together the headboard. That's pretty simple to do. What's the name of this particular bed? I don't know. My wife bought it, so let's get right to it. We're on step number 2. Let's go ahead and just turn this around anyway, so you can see. Putting together the back of it is really simple. You just need an Allen key, and it comes in the kit already, so it's not too complicated. All right, let's put that down. At first, I was having a problem finding G, so I think I found it. G and H. They could have did a better job of making that a little more clear. It's a little bit confusing. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. All right, so figured it out. And so these pieces go down here, and you gotta unscrew these because they came pre-installed. That was kind of throwing me off a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and pause this, and I'll show it once I put it on. All right, so I got this piece on here. Piece G goes right here on this end. Just gotta take these off, put them on there. G and H go right there. So let's see what's next. Okay, so now we gotta piece number 7. Piece number 7 goes. Okay, so piece number 7 connects all of these pieces together. So let me show you the instructions. So I gotta take the 4 pieces and connect them together with this piece right here. So I'll be back once I do that. All right, so this is what we got to do here. Just unscrew these pieces here. And we got to place this kind of like a bracket to keep these pieces together in the middle. This piece here. All right, oh, that actually fell right into place. I didn't realize that. Oh, my bad. Getting out of focus. All right, I'm gonna pause this and come back.